Why can't I send money on Cash App? Now, if you cannot send money on Cash App, it could be due to a number of reasons, including insufficient funds in your account. So come to the Home tab, make sure that you have got enough funds, and only you try to send the amount. Second could be the problem with your linked bank account. So tap the profile icon from the top right, go to linked bank section. Here you want to make sure your card or your bank account is there and linked just fine. It could also be an issue with your internet connection, so make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is also working just fine. After you've done that, maybe it could be sometimes a temporary service disruption which exceeds your sending limits as well, and account verification issues. So tap your profile icon again, go to this option called limits, make sure you have not exceeded the limit, and make sure that your account is also verified. Otherwise, it could sometimes be a potential security hold placed on your account. So you can actually check your Cash App balance, verify your bank details, and ensure you are within the sending limits on Cash App. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.